Just like in Dune, Earth's deserts are home to some incredible survivors. Take the camel, the desert's own cruiser, storing water in its humps for the long haul. Then there's the fennec fox, with ears like satellite dishes, cooling itself under the blistering sun. And don't forget the cunning sidewinder snake, sliding across the sand with its unique shuffle. Lastly, we have the hardy desert tortoise, a slow-moving tank under the sun. These creatures are the real-life stars of their own survival saga, mastering the art of living where few dare to tread.